Hey everyone, again Sia here on Mobile Munch. Today, we're getting a first look at the new Motorola S50 Neo, a mid-range phone that boasts a stunning display, a powerful processor, and a sleek design. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. Motorola S50 Neo takes center stage with a blazing fast refresh rate display. The Motorola S50 Neo takes center stage with a gorgeous 6.7-inch POLED display. This display offers not only vibrant colors, deep blacks, and incredible contrast, but also a smooth 120Hz refresh rate for a super responsive and fluid experience, perfect for gaming, watching videos, and scrolling through social media. With support for HDR10+ and a peak brightness of 1600 nits, you'll enjoy an immersive viewing experience even in bright sunlight. Capable performance for everyday needs. The Motorola S50 Neo is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 6 Gen 3 processor, paired with either 8GB or 12GB of RAM. This combination should provide smooth performance for everyday tasks, multitasking, and even some light gaming. Storage options include 256GB or 512GB with a micro SD card slot for expandable storage, allowing you to choose the option that best suits your needs. Motorola S50 Neo boasts a dual camera system with OIS. The Motorola S50 Neo features a dual camera system on the back. The main 50MP sensor with OIS is designed to capture crisp and clear photos and videos, especially in low light conditions. The secondary 8MP ultra-wide sensor allows you to capture stunning landscape shots with a wider field of view. On the front, a 32MP selfie camera lets you take high-quality selfies and video calls. Premium design with modern features. The Motorola S50 Neo boasts a stylish design with a glass front and a plastic frame. While it lacks a 3.5mm headphone jack, it does come with an under-display fingerprint sensor for convenient security and an NFC chip for contactless payments. The 5000 mAh battery should offer all-day battery life on a single charge for most users, with 30-watt fast charging to get you back up and running quickly. A mid-range contender with potential. With an expected release date of June 2024, the Motorola S50 Neo is shaping up to be a compelling option in the mid-range market. The phone offers a beautiful POLED display with a high refresh rate, a capable processor, and a decent camera system, all wrapped in a stylish design. While the lack of a headphone jack might be a drawback for some users, the under-display fingerprint sensor and NFC connectivity are welcome additions. Is the Motorola S50 Neo worth buying? Looking for a phone with a gorgeous display, a smooth user experience, and a capable camera system, without breaking the bank? Would a headphone jack be a deal breaker for you? Let me know in the comments below what you think of the Motorola S50 Neo. And don't forget to like and subscribe to Mobile Munch for more upcoming tech releases and reviews.